For the first method, we're going to head over to search and then type in add or remove programs. Click on it. Once we're on it, we're going to scroll down until we find Microsoft Store. We're going to click on the three dots, head over to advanced options. Then we're going to scroll down and then click on repair. Once you've done that, if it's still not working, click on reset and then click on reset again. Next, we're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. Once you're on it, make sure that you run and install all of the updates that you may have. Next, we're going to head over to search and type in run. Then we're going to type in wsreset.exe and click on enter. This will reset your Microsoft Store. Next, we want to make sure that our date and time settings are correct. This actually matters. So if it's not correct, head over to search and type in date and time settings. And then you can just change your time zone right here. We're going to head over to search and then type in CMD. Then we're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Once we're on it, we're going to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /check health. Click on enter. And then you want to run this scan. After you run it, you also want to run these three other commands which will be on screen right now. Once you complete all these 5 methods, just restart your computer and the problem should be fixed.